Please support me by subscribing and liking.
This limited-run sports car pays tribute to the original 3.0 CSL Batmobile from the 1970s with its swollen wheel arches, double rear wing setup, and striking livery. BMW has brought back the 3.0 CSL name on a new limited edition sports car that echoes the design of the original 70s-era 3.0 CSL and sports a motorsports-inspired livery. The twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six engine makes 553 horsepower. It's the most powerful inline-six used in a road-legal BMW M car ever. That motor is mated to a 6-speed manual, and power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels. Only 50 units will be built. Back in 2015, BMW hinted at a revival of one of its most iconic sports cars ever with the 3.0 CSL Hommage R concept. It was a muscular modern interpretation of the 3.0 CSL homologation special built in small quantities in the 1970s, which earned the nickname Batmobile thanks to the race car's dramatic aerodynamic package. Now, 7 years later, BMW has finally made that concept a reality, reviving the 3.0 CSL nameplate for a new limited edition sports car that attempts to distill the core values of the M division and its illustrious motorsports history into one vehicle. While the cabin shape and overall proportion suggest that the 3.0 CSL shares its bones with the current generation M4, the 3.0 CSL's bodywork is unique and one of the most eye-pleasing designs BMW has produced of late. We certainly wouldn't call the grille small, but it's not monstrous like the unit on the M4, new i7, or XM Super SUV, and its satin aluminum trim flows neatly into the angular headlights. The bulging fenders and double rear wing setup clearly recall the original 3.0 CSL Batmobile, as do the two circular air intakes carved into the front bumper and the small fins protruding from the hood. The headlights feature yellow LED laser lights, drawing a connection to the M4 GT3 race car, and the intricate, wiry taillight LEDs are reminiscent of those on the M4 CSL. The brawny wheel arches house gold-colored center-locking wheels measuring 20 inches up front and 21 inches at the rear, wrapped in specially developed Michelin tires. The special edition sports car also stands out thanks to its motorsport-inspired livery, with the white paint accented by stripes in the traditional BMW M colors just like the livery on the 1970s racer. Nearly all of the bodywork is fashioned from carbon fiber-reinforced plastic, CFRP, with the weave visible in the lower trim elements, the rear wing, and the lettering on the roof, and most of the carbon components are manufactured by hand.